we have multiplication of polynomials. In the parentheses, we have the same terms and the same sign. We have 2x, negative sign, and negative y and y. So if you remember formula for square of difference, you can use this right now. Let me remind you, when we have a minus b times a minus b, this is equal a minus b to second power, and this is equal a square minus 2ab plus b squared. In our example, a is equal 2x and b is equal y. So if you remember this formula, you can use just this form, or if you not, you have to do step by step. So first we have to multiply every term in the first parenthesis by every term in the second parenthesis, and at the end we have to multiply our result by a. So let me put this in brackets. First we have 2x times 2x minus y, and next we have negative y times 2x minus y, close brackets, and we have times a. So this is equal. Now we have to use distributive law of multiplication. We have to first distribute 2x over each term in the polynomial. So we have 2x times 2x. Next we have positive times negative, so it will be negative 2x times y. And now we have to distribute negative y over each term in the polynomial. So it will be negative times positive will be negative y times 2x. Negative and negative give me positive y times y. And everything times a. So this is equal. Now we have 2x times 2x. So we have to multiply the numbers. 2 times 2 is 4. X times x is x squared, and next expression we have to rewrite. We have 2xy, negative sign. First we will write the numbers, and we have yx, so we can change the order, and we will write xy plus y times y is y squared, so close brackets, times a. So this is equal. We have to combine the like terms. We have negative 2xy and negative 2xy. So we have the like terms. For x squared we have to copy. We have negative term and negative, so we keep negative sign, and we have to just add the numbers. 2 plus 2 is 4, and we rewrite variables x and y. And we have plus y squared times a. So now we have to multiply every expression in the parentheses times a. So will be 4x squared times a minus 4xy times a, and next we have positive sign y squared times a. So this is equal. We write variables in the alphabetic order, and first we have to write always the numbers. So we have 4, next will be a x squared, negative sign, 4a xy plus a y squared. This is my solution.